Hello, welcome back to another Magic Cast. Today we're back in another crypto video, ladies and gentlemen. Today is a big day. DripX is finally live. Literally one of my most anticipated build on TitanX or TitanX related projects, ladies and gentlemen, and it is DripX. Because I told you guys, when you combine TitanX Maxis and you bring Drip Maxis into one project in a new network that doesn't count as competition to TitanX is bullish. In BSC network, where transactions are cheaper, profit margins are better, bullish. Guys, do you understand? Today I was literally in Ethereum trying to sell some profits from my tokens, which by the way, if you remember, you would understand which tokens I'm trying to sell profits from. Not financial advice, but thank you to all the members who have been supporting me, getting access to that members exclusive videos of what I've been holding in BSC and Ethereum. Anyways, I was trying to get profit from those tokens, and it's like $80 to $90 per transaction, guys. I just could not. I was like, what? Imagine me trying to sell like $500 or $1,000 and then you get a transaction fee of $90. I was like, damn, man, it sucks over in Ethereum. Honestly, it sucks. So I'm glad DripX is on BSC. Honestly, guys. Okay, so I'm going to be telling you guys the latest and greatest, all what you need to know today about DripX before you make your first move. Okay, I'm going to lay it out all out. This is all the information that I know. I might miss a few information here and there, but let's start off with the chart is absolutely beautiful. This is perfect as expected. Of course, it's going to be a hype where it goes all the way up and it's going to fall down and it's actually going to correct to its actual pricing. Okay, we're around that point. Okay, we're forming that support level. I'm not sure if it's going to go slightly lower before then, but guys, think about, payouts. Of course, the first payout is the 8-day payout. Okay, so don't expect, for example, here, mine says it's $1,000. Yes, I've invested. So in the staking, I'll show you guys what I invested in. Okay, I think I went big in DripX. As it, my videos are literally documentaries. So if I make videos about things, those are actually things I'm gonna invest in, or I have already invested in. Okay, and yeah, so I invested. Technically it's 1,000. It just went down in value. I invested 1,000. Keep in mind that if you enter the staking in DripX in day one, which is right now, day one, you can see that you will retain your share rate forever. Okay, because the way how it works, which is I'm gonna show you guys real quick. Get shares based on current share rate. Share rate goes up daily, encouraging early participation. So the share rate goes up. Okay, it gets more expensive. It's basically the price per share. But if you are in staking in day one, your share rate will stay locked forever at that rate, which is 177.75. I believe that's the same number for TitanX. I'm not sure, but yeah, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, so actually, this is my strategy: is to enter whatever value, whatever amount today. And obviously, I'm also kind of hoping that this is the lowest that it is. Okay, I'm not gonna give you guys TA and saying like this is actually gonna be the low. I can't guarantee it. I genuinely can't, guys. Okay, so I really can't. But either way, nonetheless, I still went I gave it a big shot today because as well I want to secure that same. I want to lock in that price, price or share rate forever, so that any other time I invest, I'm going to have a good rate compared to other people who have invested in day one and now they have to pay the more expensive price per share. Okay, which is beautiful, guys. Okay, this is one of the W's about this. And the second thing, guys, my second plan is, of course, people are gonna, as they come into DripX staking, you will get diluted. Okay, so you see this number here where it says in the 8th day I'm going to make 1,068, which is literally ROIing, which is absolutely crazy to me. Okay, that number can reduce and will probably reduce because I am going to get diluted. Right now it says I am 0.78% of all global shares. Okay, it would be sick to get over 1%, but 0.78. My plan is, ladies and gentlemen, this is day 8, remember. So if you are still waiting or thinking about entering staking, you have technically, if you want to get the best price where DripX is going to be probably at its lowest, I'm not sure, it's not 100% theory, but it's still most likely, it's when you wait till the 7th day. When everyone is exhausted all their money to invest in, you wait till the 7th day and then you can enter the staking, because it doesn't matter when you enter in the payout. If you even enter 1 minute before the payout, you will get your payout for that 8-day cycle. So you can wait up until the 7th day, where you can at least know that's the price, and most likely that could be the lowest price, because that's where it's, people have exhausted their investments. Really, keep that in mind. This is what I'm doing. I want to secure my share rate today. That's why I invested my biggest bulk, and as well in the 7th day, I'm probably gonna invest another. It could be from $200 to $500. I don't imagine myself doing any more than that, to be honest with you guys. So yeah, that's the alpha with staking. With mining, ladies and gentlemen, of course, right now mining, the ROI is absolutely crazy numbers. Okay, now I don't know how off are they. That's the thing, guys. Honestly, I wish I can't give you an answer here. Okay, I generally don't know what's the actual ROI. Here it says if you did a 100 powered miner, and let's just keep it something realistic, 30 days, or some people could do 60, 90. Okay, so let's do, like, for example, 60. Okay, for 2 months you invested $387, which, by the way, this price will increase as time goes, and miners will become weaker as time goes. So there's a third one as well, I believe. But yeah, these are the two effects that I know per day will happen. We can actually double check right now. Breakdown. Doesn't mention it here. I'm not entirely sure. Making DripX. Oh yeah. Goes into smart chain. No. Virtual mining. Set parameter. Daily mineable tokens. A cap of 300 billion. Yep. Mining bonuses. Miner power explained. Mining power dictates daily DripX yield on miner cost, creating a balance between. Yeah. So I'm not sure where they mention it exactly, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, but keep in mind, I'm almost certain that this is what happens every single day. The price of a full miner, becomes slightly more expensive. I believe it's like probably point something. It's under 1% more expensive every single day, and at the same time, the actual power of a miner becomes weaker. Okay, guys. The same as TitanX, nothing new. So keep that in mind. And there's also obviously, being in day one, of course, gives you the better D rank. So when you have a D rank, for example, you get more bonuses, basically. Okay, because if you start your miners early, every other person that comes after you will technically give you more bonus because you came in early. Okay, so you do get rewarded for being early, and I did most of my miners, and I'm going to show it to you guys. And guys, okay, listen, from looking at this, you are going to take a look at my strategy. So I really hope you guys appreciate me showing you guys my strategies, which is not 100% the best, but I've spent a good amount. For example, here it shows that I did spend indeed 2,200 in this, and then 1,000 in the staking. So I'm going big on DripX. I understand I'm not a whale such as other people, but like, I'm taking this project. It's one of my favorite projects out so far, because I'm not really a fan of DeFi projects where you lock stuff up. Honestly, TitanX, Seletti, and now DripX is one of the only few, and then Ocean Wave, the one that recently launched, but that one, you can't trust it fully, guys. I'm not going to invest thousands of dollars into that. Heck, I'm not even going to invest above 500 into that. Okay, but projects like these, where it's DripX, where it's TitanX, Seletti, yes, I trust them. Of course I do. Okay, but still DeFi at the end of the day. Careful. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, please, guys. Please. This is DeFi at the end of the day. Do not, like, that 3K that I disinvested. This is good. This is big money for me. Like, if I lost this, I will be sad. Yeah. But it's not life changing. This is not my rent money. This is not my bill money. I mean, it will cover my rent, but it's not the actual money in my bank account waiting to pay the next month rent. Okay, please keep that in mind. Only invest with risk capital. Okay, I know this is a risk, but this is without further ado, I hope you guys really know this. Okay, do I need to do disclaimers? This is not financial advice. Crypto is risky. It's volatile. There's no guarantees. There's no regulations. There's no crypto police who's gonna, go after people who rugged a project, or, project did not, do its promises. No one's gonna come out, go after people. Okay, this is why actually I really like DripX, because the team behind this, like they have such a good track record, guys. We know them. It's the people behind Pulsechain, the people behind Kitchen Sink. Yeah, that one is the same people behind this. Hustle Man Matt. I might interview them. Okay, so anyways, this is my miners. You find this one that's 10 days. What the hell am I thinking? I know, guys. Honestly, this one is probably a mistake, but hey, I'm finding out, because look, it tells me that I'm gonna make 6K. I'm gonna find out. I risked my $114. It's fine. And then I did 14 days, again, still risky, super risky, but I'm still gonna find out. And then I did 18. Okay, these are all solo powered, 40, 30 powers. Like I'm trying to spam and spread out my risk, because I'm not sure. I cannot predict where DripX price will go low, DripX price will go up. I can't. We got 20 day, I did 220 days, 125, 129, 30, 33, 36, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. That's literally my strategy. I did enough miners up until 70, where every single month, because 70 is what, 2 months and 10 days. I think I'm happy with that. I might do a 90, work my way up to 90, 120 for now, maybe. But guys, honestly, you know, that's my strategy. You know, you looked into this, you know, you can be influenced by it, but it's not financial advice. But please do feel free to join my Telegram link in the description. Of course, guys, you guys can ask questions like these people who joined, you know. At the end of the day, we're all here to make money. Not financial advice way, obviously, but we're like-minded people. We're trying to find genuine projects. I literally share them in there before I make a video on them sometimes as well. So yeah, like, you want to stay up to date with a lot of projects, because my community right here, the farmers community, is not exclusive to just BSC. It's not exclusive to TitanX. It's not exclusive to just Pulsechain. We talk about everywhere. Okay, so yeah, and you get the chance to say hi to me and the rest of the team as well. So yeah, guys, that's DripX. I honestly super bullish on this. Okay, I think it's W launch. Okay, it's currently 500 something market cap. Peaked at 1 point something million. It's beautiful. Well done to the team. And guys, I'm gonna leave a bridge link in the description. Like, look, I'm literally been using this. I transferred 7.5 million pulse into my BNB. It was a good rate as well. I think it was only like, you know, this is probably like $1,000 worth, and it only cost me like $40 for the transaction fully, which is absolutely not bad, like when you think about it. You know, so I kept using it. So I'm gonna leave my change now link in the description. And yeah, guys, honestly, I appreciate you guys being on the ride with me on this. 2024 is such a great year to be in crypto. The bull run, guys, after 2 years of bear market, this is exciting. We got not only any bear market, and this is not any bull market, this is a halving, Bitcoin halving, which is crazy, guys. Okay, and DripX, such a bullish name. You guys already know Drip itself. The actual Drip is still bullish actually, and it's been getting adding. You know, I think right now it's at like what, 6 cents or something like that. It went up. It went a couple X's, I think. So I'm super bullish. I hope you guys have a great time. Okay, you know, I'm just grateful for people like you who are watching me. You know, I started my YouTube channel with Drip, and here we are again, 2 years, and I'm making another video about DripX. Yeah, I'm excited to be on this ride again. I might interview the people behind DripX, see what their plans are, you know, see what's their vision. But W. And I also I'm interested to see what Forex is reacting to this. Like, what's his thoughts? You know what I mean? Where is Forex? Is he okay? I know he's working on BlockFi or something like that. I forgot what it's called. Yeah, I think it's called BlockFi or BlockBend. I'm not entirely sure. Video on that probably very soon when it comes out. But yeah, guys, I hope you guys are doing good, and I'll see you later. Yeah, consider supporting my channel, being a member. Again, you get access to my members exclusive videos of stuff that I'm holding outside of the public videos. You gotta look into my portfolio. How does it look like? Anyways, guys, I hope you guys have a great time. I'm gonna go to the gym now, so take care of yourselves, and bye bye.